Did he lie a lot? And what was he dishonest about? Because he was fired for dishonesty. So when I'm looking into somebody's energy field, I sense energy. Energy is presented to me. His highest self is presenting this energy to me. I can feel the energy, and I do my very best to interpret the energy. Most of the time, I'm spot on, as much as I can be, just being an outsider and not having intimate details about it. But this is a very specific situation. And I'm prefacing this in this way because I'm going to have to be vague because there's no way to know for sure exactly what it was that he lied about. But there was something. So what's coming through is that there was something specific that he lied about, that was going to one person and saying one thing and going to another person and saying the opposite. And the only reason why he would do that is to intentionally hide something and intentionally make those two people not trust each other. There's just some shitty personal thing. It's him having something personally against one of them. What kind of thing? Does it matter? He's just so concerned about being right. It's this very, very inflated ego. What is it? There's something there. I'm wondering, is it romantic? Does he have a personal thing that he's hiding? So it's something with money, something where so it's a decision that was made about upgraded membership and something about the programming. I don't know anything about AI. I'm just a channel for the wisdom of spirit over here, people. I don't know. I don't know how this stuff works. Not at all. So something about the programming, an ethical question, and he erred on the side of making more profits. So it was like something that was debated in the boardroom, and he pulled some strings, told some lies so that he could get his way. He wanted to get his way because he felt like it was the best thing for the company. There were ethical questions about the way to do something that many people on the board felt like it could be detrimental to people. And he figured out a way to get what he wanted for the sake of the company. And when you hear something like that, then I feel like the first thing that pops into people's heads is him stuffing dollars in his own pockets. But it's more about the company. It's more about people keeping their jobs, more about the ability to expand in the way that he believes the company should expand. So it's more about the company, more about the employees. It's not, and I'm hearing once again, like, he's not a greedy person for money. He just wants excellence. He wants to be the best. He wants to be right. So one of the messages that definitely wants to come through is that there are much worse people. There are much worse people out there, for sure. There are people with more power, with ethics that are much more questionable than the ethics of Sam Altman, for sure. But his mental health and his lack of heart or humanity is making it so that this hugely influential company is not growing in a way that is going to serve people the best that it could possibly serve them.